Good morning, class 10. How are you all? I hope you all are well at home and enjoying your studies as well. Because after first term, we all teachers have started the syllabus for term 2. And as you are in class 10th, you have your board exams. So please pay attention towards your studies. Be sincere for your studies. So in yesterday's video, we have started the lesson number 6 of our geography book, Manufacturing Industries. In this lesson, we will cover 4 topics. Topic number 1 is the which we have started yesterday. That was the importance of manufacturing industrial location and classification of industries. Topic number 2 is agro-based industries. Topic number 3 is mineral-based industries. Uh, these 2 topics are very important for the map work. And topic number 4 is industrial pollution, environmental degradation, and control of environmental degradation. So these 4 topics we have to cover in this chapter. And in yesterday we have started the topic number 1, importance of manufacturing, industrial location, and classification of industries. Just recapitulate what we studied yesterday. So let's start with the beginning. Manufacturing. What manufacturing is? Production of goods in large quantities after processing from raw material to more valuable product is known as manufacturing. And these are the examples: growth from cotton, sugar from sugarcane, and all that. Uses of manufacturing. What are the uses of manufacturing? हम बनाते क्यों हैं? Why we do the manufacturing process? Economic strength of a country is measured from the development of manufacturing industries. So it is the backbone of our economy. They reduce the dependence of people on agriculture. More industries we have and more dependence on agriculture will eradicate. Third, industries provide jobs to us, so manufacturing provide jobs. Export of manufactured goods and bring foreign exchange. Eradicates poverty and unemployment. Countries that transform their raw materials into a wide variety of furnished goods of higher value are prosperous. Now, factors that contribute to the location of industries. Which factors are responsible for the location? We have covered the first topic. First topic is in 3 parts: manufacturing, industrial location, and classification of industries. And we have covered yesterday manufacturing and industrial location. So this is the location of industries. Which factors contribute to the location of industries? First is availability of cheap labor, availability of water, availability of electricity, availability of capital, availability of market, and the availability of raw material. So these are the factors responsible for the location of industries, industrial location. Now today, the third subtopic of topic 1 is classification of industries. So today we will cover the classification of industry. Industries are classified on the basis of on the 5 main bases, and those bases are: source of raw material, their main role, capital investment, ownership, bulk and weight of raw material, and finished goods. These are the classification of industries. Classification can be on the basis of these 5 points. Industrial classification can be done. Now first is on the basis of source of raw material. First classification is on the basis of sources of raw material. First is agro based, second is mineral based. Agro based and mineral based are the second and third main topic of this chapter, which we have to cover. But on the basis of source of raw material, we will discuss this in short. Agro based, what do you mean by agro based? In agro based, we use agricultural raw materials like cotton, wool, jute, silk, textile, rubber, sugar, tea, coffee, etc., which we get from the fields actually. That is agro based. Second is mineral based. Sources of raw material, mineral based, use minerals as raw materials. In agro based, we use agriculture raw materials, and in mineral based, we use mineral materials as raw material. Minerals as raw materials. For example, iron and steel, cement, aluminium, machine tools, etc. So this is on the basis of source of raw material. And according to their main role, this is the second classification according to their main role. First is basic slash key industries. Second is consumer industries. So let's see, supply their products or raw materials to manufacture other goods. So uh, these industries supply the raw materials to manufacture other goods. For example, we get cloth from the cotton, and sugar from the sugarcane. So, key industries supply the materials to manufacture other goods. For example, iron and steel and copper, smelting aluminium. So key industries are these, sorry. And in agro base, on that we will use sugar, toothpaste, paper, fans, etc. So iron and steel and copper smelting, aluminium smelting, these all these will come in basic or key industries. And second is consumer industries. Basic, and we used to say them key industries because these are the industries which in which we get metal. And consumer industries, the things a consumer, we people need. For example, produce goods for direct use of consumers. We are the consumers because we consume these things directly. We don't use iron and steel directly. It comes in some other form. But sugar, toothpaste, paper, fans, etc., we directly use these. We directly consume these things. So this is called consumer industries. So this is the second classification according to their main role. Third is on the basis of capital investment. Capital means money, paise. So, third classification is on the basis of capital investment, small scale industries and large scale industries. It is quite clear from the word itself that small and large. So, maximum investment is allowed on assets of unit run by less number of people. For example, Khandasri, good, etc. These are the small scale industries. And large scale industries are if the investment is more than 1 crore, then it is known as large scale industry. And if the investment is less than 1 crore, it is small scale industries. And in the large scale industries, we need more labors. But in small scale industries, number of people are less. And in this, cotton textile industry is one of the main example. Next classification is on the basis of ownership, public sector and private sector. We have studied this in our previous chapter, the difference between public and private sector. Public sector owned and operated by government agencies, and private sector owned and operated by individuals or a group of individuals. And public sector is not for their self profit. This is for the public, for the citizen of a country. And private sector is for their self profit because it is owned and operated by individuals or a group of individuals. But public sector is operated by the government agencies. So uh, the public sector, for example, bail and sale. And here in private sector, Tisco, Bajaj Auto Limited, Dabur Industries, Tata, Reliance Industries. You can see in current scenario that where Reliance uh, is getting height, the graph of Reliance is going up day by day. Tata's graph. So these are the these come in the private sector because it is owned and operated by an individual. I think you all must know who is the owner of the Reliance. And in the public sector, Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, United India Insurance, and all these Indian Oil, Bharat Petroleum, all these are the public sector. So this classification is on the basis of ownership. Joint sector and cooperative sector. The industries which are jointly run by the state and individuals or a group of individuals is comes under the joint sector. Industries are owned and operated by the producers or suppliers of raw materials, workers, or both is cooperative sector. Example, Oil India Limited, oil, is jointly owned by public and private sector. See, it is jointly owned by public and private. Both are involved in this. And in this, they pool in the resources and share the profits or losses proportionately. For example, sugar industry in Maharashtra, the coir industry in Kerala. So these industries come in the cooperative sector. Based on the bulk and weight of raw materials and finished goods. This is the last classification of industry. Heavy industries use heavy and bulky raw materials and produce heavy materials. Light industries use light raw materials and produce light materials. It is very uh, clear from the name itself that heavy means obviously heavy, bhari. Light means halka. So heavy industries produce heavy materials and light industries produce light materials. ये वो लाइट नहीं है जो लाइट हम जलाते हैं लाइट मीन्स हल्का है यहाँ सो लाइट इंडस्ट्रीज यूज लाइट रॉ मटेरियल्स एंड प्रोड्यूस लाइट मटेरियल्स लाइट इंडस्ट्रीज यूज भी हल्का कच्चा माल करती है और जब हल्का कच्चा माल आप यूज करोगे तो ऑब्वियसली जो उसका प्रोडक्ट बनेगा वो भी हल्का ही होगा ना लाइट ही होगा सो दैट इज लाइट मटेरियल एंड व्हेन वी यूज heavy raw material we will produce heavy materials. So this is the difference between heavy industries and the light industries. Iron and steel industry comes in the heavy industries, and electric fans, watches, swing machines, etc. come under the light industries. So this is the difference between heavy industries and light industries. So this is all uh, in the first topic. Our first topic is importance of manufacturing. We done. Industrial location. We done. And third one is classification of industries. We covered this. Today we have covered our first topic, and in tomorrow's next video, in the next session, we will cover the second topic of this chapter, and that is agro-based industries. I hope you all have understood this topic well. And again, the same announcement, I'm going to announce that you have to put a comment after watching this video just to mark your present. And please circulate this, pass on this message to all of your classmates, to all of your friends, that they all have to uh, give comment on the video just to put their present, mark their present. So please watch this video again and again just to understand this chapter. It is a very easy chapter. We have maximum we have done in this session, in these two sessions, tomorrow's, yesterday's and today's video, we have already done in our previous classes. So it's just a revision. So please go through this, try to understand these topics, and memorize for your upcoming exams. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.